Are you looking for the best massage guns? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best massage guns on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bob & Brad Q2 Pro Massage Gun. The Bob & Brad Q2 Pro is compact, comfortable, and weighs just 1 pound, so it's easy to carry around and easy to hold when you really need to stretch to reach a trouble spot. As one would expect from a smaller, more budget-friendly gun, the 35-pound stall force and 7mm amplitude are weaker than those of our other picks, but should still hit with enough force to work out most aches and pains. The Q2 Pro comes with a set of 5 attachment heads. The most exciting, hands down, is a hot/cold head. With the touch of a button, you can access heat or cold therapy with 5 speed settings ranging from 1,800 to 3,000 percussions per minute. Only a few massage guns come with integrated heat, and none of our picks include integrated cold massage attachments. Therabody offers a cold massage attachment for the Theragun Prime Plus and Pro Plus, but charges extra for it. We also appreciate that Q2 Pro is quiet, enabling you to use it without the annoying noise commonly associated with most massage guns, something your partner will surely appreciate. Number 2. Therabody Theragun Pro Plus Massage Gun. The Therabody Theragun Pro Plus is a powerful, feature-rich massage gun, which we'd recommend for physical therapists, athletic trainers, and other professionals. It applies up to 60 pounds of force with a best-in-class 16mm amplitude, giving you an unparalleled deep tissue message. Perhaps more importantly, it has lots of luxury features that you won't find on other massage guns. It features an LED display, which allows you to access Therabody's guided message routines on device, rather than using the Therabody app on your phone. The 5 attachments in the box include a 3-speed vibration therapy head, designed to relieve joint pain and treat sensitive areas. There's also an adjustable heated head, which shortens the time it takes to warm up muscles. These have become more common, even among budget-tier massage guns, but this made a remarkable difference in warming up my muscles prior to heading out the door for a run. Perhaps its most distinctive feature, though, is an infrared LED light, which Therabody claims will stimulate circulation and boost healing as you pummel your sore muscles. I didn't necessarily feel a tangible difference when adding light therapy to my massage regimen, but there is some science behind it and you definitely won't find red light support on any other massage gun. Before you buy it, though, the most striking aspect of the Theragun Pro Plus is its price tag. It costs more than double what you would spend on a top massage gun. I think extra power and special features are worth the expense for physical therapists and trainers, but it's overkill for most amateur athletes. Number 3. Therabody Theragun Prime Plus Massage Gun. Simply put, Theragun's triangular handle gives you better access to the hard-to-reach nooks and crannies of your body. The triangular handle design gives you multiple grip options, enabling better control and leverage to precisely apply pressure at the right angle, even in tricky areas like your back, upper shoulders, and glutes. While all of Therabody's Theragun models have the handle, we recommend the Prime Plus over the rest because it's compact yet offers a deep, powerful massage. Its quiet but powerful 5-speed motor creates 40 pounds of stall force, which is plenty of force to dig deep into those hard-to-reach muscles. It's also the lowest-priced Theragun that comes with a heated head attachment in the box. Theragun's brand reputation comes with a higher-than-average price tag, but Prime Plus offers the right set of features to make the splurge worth it, and become one of our favorite mid- to upper-tier guns. If you like the idea of the triangle grip, and are willing to sacrifice a little power and the heat attachment for a more attractive price point, we also recommend the Theragun Relief as a more budget-conscious option. Generating 20 pounds of stall force and a 10mm amplitude, it's suitable enough for all but the deepest muscles and costs less than $200. Number 4. Ekrin Athletics Kestrel Massage Gun. Most massage guns aren't subtle. They tend to be loud, so you're going to draw attention, and potentially a few looks, if you use one in public. The Ekrin Kestrel only makes 35 to 55 decibels, dB, of noise depending on what speed level it's on, equivalent to the noise of a running refrigerator. It's one of the quietest massage guns we've tested, but also one of the best. Despite keeping relatively quiet, the Kestrel packs enough power to target deep muscle tissue. It features a hefty 60-pound stall force and a 13 mm amplitude, creating the kind of pressure that can tackle even the tightest spots. The Kestrel features 6 speed levels ranging from 1,800 to 3,500 revolutions per minute. It also comes with 6 interchangeable head attachments to optimize targeted relief for different muscle groups. Whether you need a gentle touch or deeper pressure, the Kestrel offers versatility, in addition to discretion. Number 5. Bob & Brad D6 Pro Massage Gun. If you're after serious power to target and release deep knots and stubborn tight spots, we've found the Bob & Brad D6 Pro gives the hardest hitting massage, delivering deep, intense relief for athletes in training. It isn't for the faint of heart. With a 16 mm amplitude and a whopping 85 pounds of stall force, it pounded my muscles harder and deeper than any other massage gun we've tested. Featuring a rectangular handle with an adjustable head, the design of the D6 Pro makes it easy to target tight or sore muscles in those tricky spots. The handle's shape offers better grip and maneuverability than the standard straight handle, making it simple to access hard-to-reach areas like the upper back and glutes. On the other hand, it's comparatively large and heavy, so holding it against your back and shoulders can get tiring. The D6 Pro comes with 7 different attachment heads, and features 6 speed settings, ranging from 1,500 to 2,500 revolutions per minute. It also features 4 pulsing modes, which offer dynamic massage routines. If you're the type of runner who enjoys beating your deepest sore muscles into submission, it offers the deepest massage short of the Theragun Pro Plus, which costs more than twice as much.